I've been feeling like fading out. I'm just another stranger in another Midwest town. But the girl at the fabric store likes me around. She's gonna help me get my feet back on the ground. Now you're teaching me to cruise your manual to Corolla. I'm gonna stall at 20 times on the shore and drive to Viroqua. Don't worry, I'm sure I can get it by Minnesota. Would it really be the end of the world to check out California? Girl, I'm looking at you. You drive away my blues. Well, there's never been much to see in Prairie du Chien, but your silhouette is golden from lights you had woven through the evergreen. Now you're dancing to Sinatra, I'm trying to fix my left feet. Would it really be all that bad to ask you to marry me? Girl, I'm looking at you. You drive away my blues. Girl, I'm looking at you. You drive away my blues. Well, we're feeling all old and gray, and I don't recognize my face. Wrap me in that raggedy quilt you gave me on Christmas Day. When we feel like we've got both feet in the grave, remember your old Corolla with the worn out red chip paint. Girl, I'm looking to you. You drive away my blues. Girl, I'm looking to you. You drive away my blues. Dia de nuvens no céu, trânsito atolando o chão, preso numa água cheia, na concha fugindo do som. Já à beira de sumir, afundo na maré que vem. O motorista me sorri e diz: viver parece simples, dia para ser feliz. Tirando tempo só para amor, e a casa que pede pis. Ouvindo fim preto branco, e as nuvens a passar no céu flutuar. As coisas não vão se encaixar se você se cobrar demais. Te ensina a se enganar, que assim vai dar. Então quando a coisa aperta, cedo estiver para triz. Lembrei o que lhe disse. Viver pode ser simples, dia para ser feliz. Tirando tempo sob a mão, cansa que perepis. Vejo fim preto branco, as nuvens a passar.